I'm gonna cook chambarete
in
Mexican
this video
style.
Is ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it. The chambarete.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are making chambarete. That's right, the chambarete is the Mexican style beef shank.
I'm going to chop the vegetables. Okay?
It's a baby?
It's a baby inside, see? It's a growing out jalapeno, sweet jalapeno inside, see?
First he cutted all those jalapeno sweet peppers into little pieces and then put it into the pan over there.
Okay?
And then he cracked open a tomato into the pan. And he did the same thing to the potatoes. And also did the same thing for the mushroom and sweet peppers. What the fuck? That's not a sweet pepper, that's the jalapeno pepper!
And chambarete is the beef shank. Like you see, we have two big pieces here.
We're gonna have to have this beef shank over here, right? Beef shank, that's the one with the bone in it.
But I had to take all the tissues and the extra, see, the connectivity tissues and everything from the meat. I had to do like this.
So he started separating the meat from the bone and start taking out all those white stuff that are the tendons that are in the meat part. Because if you don't take them out, those tendons are very hard to chew even after a good amount of time cooking. So we prefer to just take them out and not suffer chewing the meat for like hours. So here we are taking out the tendons out from the meat. I'm gonna put the bone in the middle. Bone in the middle over there.
Why we put the bone in the middle? Because we need the narrow. The narrow gives a lot of flavor. This.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. And then now the meat. Oh my god. Lastly, he's gonna cook the onion, so I'm gonna run away and stop filming this because I'm gonna be burning my eyes over here. Okay. So I'm gonna run away. Okay, bye. Bye. Put the onion, and now we have to wait like 40 minutes over there with this heat.
I put a 4, number 4, because you cannot put very, very high. It has to be slowly.
Slow cook for how long?
So that's 40 minutes. I'm gonna put some salt.
While we wait for that to cook for 40 minutes, we're also waiting the rice to be done over here as well. Need to move it?
Yeah.
Need to move it, move it.
I need to mix it.
Maybe you need to move it, move it. Move it! You need to move it. Move it!
No, I can't. I'm gonna.
No, the food, move the food.
Narrow is inside the bone, baby.
Oh my gosh.
See? This gives a lot of flavor. Look.
A lot of flavors?
Yeah. Oh no.
Gonna be a lot, very nice,
Yeah.
very soft, baby. Is ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it. The chambarete.
Ta-da! I burned my
Ta-da!
finger.
Baby, there's a lot of water. Why?
Because it's like that.
There's supposed to be less water.
No, it's the juice, all the juice they release. See, remember it was up to here?
Okay, fine. What about now? What now?
Now
Now?
we're gonna eat. Finally,
Yeah, there
here
you
we
have.
are.
There you have the carnita. No.
No carnita. Chambarete,
Okay, there you have the chambarete
Mexican style. Look.
Mexican style. As we said, you can enjoy that with the rice or the tortilla over
Can I
there.
eat some little rice?
Some
And
tortilla. What is a smile, maybe? And there we have it. Chambarete Mexican style. Because ever since we went to Mexico last year, okay, all the Mexican dishes has been in my head. Oh my gosh, the ceviche, barbacoa. Okay, all the Mexican dishes have been running through my mind. Okay, so what better way to come up with a new video and also get your boyfriend's recipe at the same time? This video. Okay, so here we have the chambarete Mexican style. So I hope you enjoyed the video as well as we enjoy eating it. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, if you haven't seen the video that we went to Mexico, I will put that in the link in the description box down below over here. Okay, so go check that out and I will see you in that video in Mexico.
Ta-da! I burned my,
Ta-da!
I burned my finger. Because I'm hungry, okay? And I have to sleep early. Tomorrow I have to wake up at 6 a.m. again.
Okay. Provecho for you.
Provecho.
Yay! Okay, that's it.
Mm.